Today we have with us Arun Singh, popularly known as the Jhumru. Famous for his hilarious Punjabi dad jokes and infectious humor, Arun is one of the most viral influencers today with over 1 million followers. He's currently anchoring for NDTV Entertainment and also hosts his own YouTube podcast, Oversharing with Jhumru, where he has candid and entertaining conversations with guests from all walks of life. Today, he would like to ask Gurudev some questions.
लवली
प्रणाम।
हाँ
मैं बहुत एक्साइटेड हूँ इस कॉन्वर्जेशन के लिए। अक्सर हमारा जो पॉडकास्ट है उसमें एंटरटेनमेंट जगत के लोग आते हैं, तो पहली बार मैं एक बड़े स्पिरिचुअल लीडर से बात करने वाला हूँ, तो मैं बहुत एक्साइटेड हूँ इस कॉन्वर्जेशन के लिए। और बहुत यंग लोग इस पॉडकास्ट को देखते हैं, तो उम्मीद है कि वो कुछ सीख पाएंगे जो भी आप हमें आंसर्स देंगे।
वंडरफुल।
शुरुआत करते हैं स्पिरिचुअलिटी की बात करते हुए ही। बहुत सारे लोग हैं जो स्पिरिचुअल जर्नी अपनी शुरू कर रहे होंगे, खासतौर पर यंग एज में, लेकिन एक प्रॉब्लम जो उनके जहन में अक्सर रहती है वो ये कि स्पिरिचुअल जर्नी फॉलो करते हुए भी वो एंग्री फील कर सकते हैं, डिसअपॉइंटेड फील कर सकते हैं, वो नेगेटिव इमोशंस फील कर सकते हैं। हाउ शुड दे नेविगेट दैट? लॉट ऑफ पीपल क्वेश्चन, आई एम ट्राइंग टू बी स्पिरिचुअल बट आई ऑल्सो फील एंग्री एट सम पीपल।
सी, गुस्सा करना कोई बुरी बात नहीं है, पर कितना करोगे, कहाँ करोगे, इस पर है। यदि तुम करते हो या गुस्सा तुमको कर रहा है, ये फर्क है। यू नो, समटाइम्स एंगर में swallow your whole personality. Then you may not like yourself. But anger is a natural thing. The healthy anger is that which stays only for a few seconds. It is said, you know, when you draw a line on the surface of water, how long that line stays? If it stays only that much of time, that anger is good. This is what you see in kids. Kids are having something in their hand, you snatch it out of them, they get angry. But their anger just vanishes in no time. But for an adolescent, you get angry and that eats you up. That eats your peace of mind, your thinking ability. Morning you think of them, night you think about them. While brushing the teeth you think about them. While having tea you think about them. Having shower you only think about them. So, anger is a punishment you give to yourself for someone else's mistake. What do you think?
Yeah, so is it okay to send that hate email to your boss sometimes?
It's okay to have it sometime, but you should be able to snap out of it.
Sure. My next question is, यंग एज में बहुत ज़्यादा स्ट्रगल्स भी होते हैं क्योंकि जॉब का टेंशन रहता है, पढ़ाई का टेंशन रहता है। ऐसे क्षण में जब कुछ भी सही नहीं जा रहा, मोटिवेटेड कैसे रहे एक शख्स?
Challenges बहुत होते हैं तो एनर्जी बहुत खर्चा होता है. Then you feel, when your energy is low, you definitely feel mentally also low. You lose all motivation. So that time, take a few minutes for yourself. Do some bhastrika, pranayam. Do something to raise your energy level. Then the motivation automatically comes.
I'll quickly plug in here. I've also done the happiness program and I also came here as a creator last time when the retreat was happening. So I would definitely recommend a lot of people to come and join that. Please bear with me. I have like 10 to 12 more questions. My next question is, अक्सर लोग कहते हैं मैं कर्म तो अच्छे करता हूं और अच्छे इंसान के साथ हमेशा अच्छा होता है, हमने सुना भी है, लेकिन फिर भी मुझे परेशानियां और दुख क्यों मिलते हैं? क्योंकि मेरे कर्म तो अच्छे हैं।
देखिए, मैं अच्छा हूं, मैं अच्छा किया हूं, इसलिए मेरे साथ अच्छा ही होना है, ये जरूरी नहीं है। तुम अच्छे हो ठीक है, मगर तुम होशियार भी हो क्या? युक्ति भी यूज करते हो क्या? स्मार्ट भी हो क्या? ये पूछो। तुम स्मार्ट हो, युक्ति है, तो हर मुसीबत से तुम एक रास्ता निकाल के आगे बढ़ जाओगे।
थैंक यू फॉर दैट आंसर. अगले सवाल जो है वो जेनजी रिलेटेड हैं, जो आज का यूथ बाहर है और ड्राइव कर रहा है हमारे देश को. अक्सर जेनजी कहते हैं डेलुलू इज द ओनली सलूलू, which is being delusional is the only solution. But their language is weird, so that's how they say Delulu is the only Salulu. So do you think they have cracked the way to live? They say being delusional is the only solution.
See, it's okay to have an illusion. Illusion is a sort of dream. You can dream. It's okay to have dream. But when you think delusion, you are not even believing in your own illusion. You are not believing in your own dream. That shows total weakness inside you, that you are not believing your possibility.
Right. There are several reports which suggest that Gen Zs are not employable. They snap at their bosses, they have strict timelines, timelines for themselves. Why do you think they behave the way they do? Why do you think the younger generation is setting boundaries, is, giving a tough time to their bosses?
Yeah, they are very quick, they are very fast moving. Their attention span is very, very limited. You know what is the attention span of Gen Z? 30 seconds. And all cannot be compressed in 30 seconds. That's their problem. They want to compress everything into short. And then the happiness is also short-lived. Their smile, their emotion, their relationship, everything becomes short-lived. So, it's good for them to little bit slow down and cool down before they take some major decision.
Right. Taking cue from your answer, they consume a lot of short form content, reels. I have a personal question. Do you also consume reels?
I really enjoy all the time, and I encourage everyone to really enjoy all the time.
Admission season is on. A lot of people would not have got their pasandida stream. तो आप उन्हें क्या एडवाइस देना चाहेंगे जिन्हें वो स्ट्रीम जो वो चूज करना चाहते थे वो नहीं मिली, क्योंकि एडमिशन कई लोग करवा चुके हैं, कई करवाने वाले हैं जो यंगस्टर्स हैं, तो उन्हें क्या एडवाइस देना चाहेंगे? वो ऐसे कोर्स में एंटर तो कर चुके हैं जिसमें उनका मन नहीं था, बट अब कोई ऑप्शन नहीं है.
देखिए, ठीक है, आपको एक कोर्स में ऑप्शन नहीं मिला, आपने कोई कोर्स लिया, जो भी आपने लिया उसमें आप एक्सेल करके दिखा सकते हो. इतना जानो, आपके अंदर इतना पोटेंशियल है, आप वो काम में एक्सेल करके दिखाओ, फिर दूसरे में जंप करो. एक में फेल्यूर होके दूसरे में जाओगे तो उधर भी फेल्यूर ही मिलेगा. एक में सक्सेस पा करके दूसरे में जंप करो, वो ठीक है. मैं यही कहूंगा, आप बहुत सी टैलेंट, मल्टी टैलेंटेड हो सकते हो, आप में बहुमुखी विकास हो सकता है, आप बहुत सारी चीजों को कर सकते हो, मगर एक नहीं ठीक है, ये छोड़ दिया, फिर दूसरे लोग हैं, वो भी अच्छा नहीं लगेगा, कुछ दिन बाद उस भी छोड़ोगे. इसको कहते रोलिंग स्टोन, कहीं भी स्थिर नहीं. ऐसा ना करें. आप एक को ले गया, चलो उसको पूरा कर लीजिए, फिर दूसरा ले लीजिए. मैं जानता हूं ऐसे एक युवा 24 डिग्री ले चुका है. जब वो सिर्फ 45 साल के थे तब इन्होंने 24 अलग अलग उसमें डिग्री हासिल करी. इस तरह से कुछ लोग हैं जो 5, 6, 7, 8 अलग अलग चीजों में उन्होंने अपनी क्षमता को प्रदर्शन किया है. आपको सुन के ताजुब होगी, एक आदमी इंजीनियर भी है और वो व्यक्ति मेडिसिन भी किया है, आयुर्वेदिक डॉक्टर भी बने हैं, और वही व्यक्ति कंप्यूटर साइंस में भी किया, वो फिर मैनेजमेंट स्टडीज वो भी उन्होंने साइड में करके वो भी उन्होंने पास किया. तो इस तरह से आपकी you have many possibilities, and on top of it you can be an artist, you can be a writer, you can be a poet. Tell me, you have so many avenues, so keep them all open. Okay.
Sure.
When I was a teenager, I started writing poem. I also did music, and so I was interested in every field. And I tell you, you too have this interest. So just keep that fire up. You can be a good cook. You can, good chef. And I tell you, your possibilities are many. Later on, when you grow up, then you can choose whatever you want. Yeah.
You have mediated in a lot of global conflicts. Which has been the most difficult conversation you've led?
Well, you see, I would say yes and no. Every mediation is tough and it is not tough also. When you have the right attitude, when you don't have an agenda in your mind, you will be able to be a right bridge between the parties who are in conflict. Yeah.
Right.
Of course, most of my mediation efforts have fructified, except the Tamil Tigers one, which involved many other vested interests. That was a very tough thing. And there is a book, one of our Swamijis who was with me in those days, he wrote on that. It's called Tiger's Pass. It's a thriller. It's in Penguin. You can pick it up and have thrill story about it.
We saw what unfolded between us and our neighboring country, India versus Pakistan conflict. A lot of misinformation floated during this month. A lot of people were losing their sanity as well as Aam Janta. What would you tell them? एक आम जनता के लिए आपका क्या मैसेज होगा in difficult times like these when there are conflicts with the neighboring country?
हाँ, कई तरह की खबर आए हैं. उन सभी खबरों को बिना जांच पड़ताल करके, बिना उसके गहराई में जाए बिना उस पर विश्वास नहीं करना चाहिए. देखिए, बहुत सारे झूठे खबर उन दिनों में फैलने लगते हैं हर तरह के माध्यम से. इसलिए उस वक्त थोड़ा हमें कॉशियस होके चलना पड़ेगा. You must exercise some caution, not take everything as true reality. You should do fact checking of all the news that you hear. And make sure you just don't get emotionally carried away. Emotions are important, but that is where you have to rein them in. लगाम लगा के रखना चाहिए अपने भावुकता को. उस पे भय नहीं जाना चाहिए.
You enjoy a lot of fame and popularity, much more than leading, movie stars as well. How do you balance your popularity, or do you ever feel too indulged in it as a spiritual leader?
No, I don't. I mean, it doesn't bother me at all. I don't even pay any attention to it. If one person or 100, I say the same thing. It doesn't matter to me.
My last two questions. We've heard that there's a film in making which is on you. What all can you share, if there's anything that you can?
Wait for it. It's going to come soon. Have something for surprise. Yes.
Would you want to say picture abhi baki hai?
It's going to be very good. Yeah. It's going to be a thriller, fun. उसमें काफी हंसने वाली बात भी होती है, गंभीरता की बात भी होगी, सब होगी.
My last question is, AI is taking over our lives, artificial intelligence. There are a lot of things that it can do, but there are several things that AI can't do. What is that one thing that you would want AI to do?
Well, AI is one another instrument for us. It's another means for us to make ourselves comfortable. That's all. It's how you use, that depends on you. We must be judicious in using it. And, remember, there is no threat for threat by AI for human intelligence. It in fact beckons you to be more original in creativity and be more original in your thinking. Yeah, because it keeps in front of you all that is which is already there. So it beckons you to be really more original and more creative. That's very good.
Thank you very much for all the insightful answers. बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया.